Welcome to our guide on how to allow everyone from sending messages in WhatsApp web group on your PC. Let's streamline your group management with these simple steps. Begin by opening WhatsApp web on your PC. This is where you'll be able to access and customize your group settings seamlessly. Next, open the specific group in which you want to adjust the messaging permissions. This step ensures that you're targeting the right group for the desired changes. Click on the three dots located in the group chat interface and then select Group Information. This will lead you to a menu where you can modify various group settings. Scroll down within the Group Information section until you find the option for Group Permissions. Click on this to access the specific settings related to member permissions within the group. Within the Group Permissions settings, look for the option to Disable Add Other Members. By disabling this feature, you're ensuring that only existing members can send messages in the group, preventing new members from being added. By following these steps, you can effectively control who has the ability to send messages in the WhatsApp web group on your PC. This feature provides you with greater control over group dynamics and ensures a smoother communication experience for all members. Stay tuned for more insightful tips and tutorials on optimizing your WhatsApp experience and enhancing your group management skills.